Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable the passcode in Telegram application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing, you need to go to your Telegram application on your device. Once you open the application, you need to tap on the three lines at the top left corner. From there, you need to tap on Settings. In Settings, you need to go to Privacy and Security. From there, you will find the passcode lock option, which is off. So we need to enable it. Tap on that one. And here they say when a passcode is set, a lock icon appears above your chat list. So you need to give that passcode to access to your inbox. So how are you going to do it? Enable passcode. From here, they say create a passcode. You need to enter a 4 digits. I will enter it. So guys, once you enter the passcode, the 4 digits, they say re-enter your passcode again. So I will re-enter it. So guys, as you can see, the lock is set up. The passcode lock is set up. So here, as you can see, you can change the passcode, or you can even change the timing. You want to put the passcode in 1 hour, or if you want to change to have it lock in 5 minutes, so you can choose it from here. Suppose I choose the 5 minutes. I will go back to my chats, and from here, as you can see, there is a lock. If I tap on that one, now the chat is locked. So if I want to unlock it, you need to just enter the passcode and it will unlock. So guys, this is how you're going to do it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.